Hi guys, I'm Avantika, and in today's video we are going to create a translator app in Thunkable. So let me show you this app. So you need to enter the text you want to translate. So I'll write hello and then click on translate, and then the translated text will appear here. So let's start making this in Thunkable. So let's go to thunkable.com and sign up for it. It's free. It's a platform where you can make your own apps. Then click on create new app and select write your project name here. So I'll write it as translator and then choose a category here. So I'll use this one and then click on create. Don't use this one for now because the one you're going to use I can say is like much more easier. So click on create. Okay, so let's start making this app. The first thing we need to do is we need to design this app. So designing is basically like putting the many types of components here on the screen. Like here we have an image, an input, a label, and a button. So we need that. So first we put a column here inside the screen. Drag it to the screen, and yeah, and inside the column we need an image. Drag it here and make sure it's inside the column, not below or above the column. Inside it, and put your image link, or you can either upload it. So go to Google and search for translator app icons, and then I've choose this one. Then right click on it and click on copy image address, and we can paste it here. Then even change its height and width here. So let's change it to like 200. Okay, so we are done with this, and the next thing we need to add is an label, an input. Yeah, an input here. Search for input and make it below the image. Select an appropriate height for it. So let's select 125. This is fine. Okay, so the next thing we need to put is, yeah, so let's give this text input an ID. So I guess give it, we'll leave it as text input 1 because I'm able to remember it. You can give it an ID if you want. The next thing you need to add is an label here which will display the translated text. Here below it, below the text input. So I'll increase its font size like 20 and go to advanced and click on text style, and you can change its text style here. I want it to be italic like this, and font weight to be 600. Okay, and for now the text inside it will be empty only because initially it won't have anything inside it. Then we need one button here below the label. Okay, so you can put a text here for the button. So I'll write it as translate, and you can click on background color here and select the background color you like. So I'll go with this one, and I'll increase font size to 20, 25, and drag to the bottom, and you can even change its border radius. So I'll set it to like 10. Okay, it's a 7. Yeah, 7 is good. And I change its height and width also. So let's select the height as 50 and the width as 200. Let's see. Yeah, I guess I'll change the height to 45. Yes. Then click on column here and choose vertical alignment as space around. So yeah, so it's not like not every component like stick to each other. It will have some space around it like this. Okay, so we are done with the designing part and let's start coding for it. So go to blocks here. Okay, before that go to design again and select a translator. Yeah, this translator component in it. It won't be visible here. It's just like on the if I want to use something like or if I want to translate something, you need to put this before uh, like putting it in code. So select the target language. So let's see which language should I select. mm, you can select anyone. Let's select Thai. Okay, and go to blocks again and let's start coding for it. Okay, so go to button 1 and click on select this one. So when button 1 is clicked, so button 1 is basically this button here. So when it is clicked, so on this condition I want it to translate the text, but only on this condition. So go to translator and select this one called translators. Once translate and the text to translate will be what is inside the text input. So first text input 1, select this one. So text to translate will be this, and when it is translated I want it to display in label 1. So select this and do it like this. Yeah, so let's see if it works. Okay, yeah, so I'll write here hello and click on translate. So yeah, as you can see here, it is coming in Thai. So I write here hello, my name is Avantika and then click on translate. So it will come like this here. One thing I need to fix is that the label is below the trans button, so I want it to be above it. So make it like this. Yeah, you can even change the target language or the source language. So like I'm writing it in English, but if some user wants to write it in Hindi or whatever language they want to write it in, and so you can even change it according to that, or and you can even change the target language. So let's try for something else this time. Let's try Spanish. Then click on live test and so I'll write here hello. So yeah, hello, my name is Avantika and then click on translate. So it comes like this here. So we are done with this app. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you like the video, click on the like button and subscribe. Click on the subscribe button also and the notification bell for the further updates. And do check out my other videos. I have many videos on. I have like 10 videos on coding till now. So there are many videos there. So and also in code.org. So thank you guys for watching my video. Bye bye.